Hello everyone, we are now in the section 4 where we will talk about how to trade like the best with outstanding strategies. So in our PABT Square trading strategy, we use 3 main entry methods. Okay, so you have to understand how and when we use them. And first we will talk about the entry strategies. So we have 3 entry strategies that we use to enter in the market. Okay, so when we want to buy or when we want to sell, we can enter in the market in 3 ways, and let's go. First, let's talk about the market entry. So you just have to use a market order when you want to enter in the market instantly, meaning you enter right after the price action signal has formed. So when you enter in the market with a market order, you will not miss any move and you will be in it if the market take off. Okay, let's see an example. So here you have a market falling and then a rejection candle. So right after the close of the rejection candle, you enter in the market. So you just click on the buy button on your trading platform. So meaning you are using a market entry to enter right now, instantly. So you enter here, okay, and you can profit from the move. So this was the market entry. The second type of entry we use is, of course, the breakout entry. Okay, so the breakout entry is an entry you use to be sure that the odds are with you before entering in the market. Okay, so for example, if you spot a rejection candle and you want to enter only if the setup is working out in your favor, you will use a breakout order. Okay, so the breakout order must be located 2 points ticks or pips above the high of the rejection candle. Here it's a buy order. Okay, so the high of the candle is here. So this way you are trading using a breakout order, and it's safer than entering instantly in the market in the case where the signal doesn't play out correctly and heads the wrong way, straight from the candle close. Okay, so if this happens and you entered instantly, you can get stuck in a losing trade, while with the breakout order you wouldn't have been triggered, and that will keep you out of a bad move. So with a breakout entry, you are really waiting for the market to be in your favor before entering. So the third entry strategy we use isn't really common. So many people know the market entry and the breakout entry, but just a few know about the retracement entry. So in price action, the market usually retraces before taking off. So this retracement can go from 30 to 90% of the candle that gave the setup. So we take advantage of these natural retracement movements in the market to gain extremely good entry prices in our trades. So the retracement entry options offer the best entry prices out of all 3 entry options. So the retracement entries will provide tighter stops, which will dramatically increase the return ratio on your trade, most of the time doubling the profit potential. So here is a 50% retracement entry. So the market was rising and boom, here is a rejection candle, a beautiful rejection candle. So imagine it's rejecting a resistance level, for example, over AVZ, and you choose to play with it. Okay, so with the market entry, your entry level would have been here. Okay, with a breakout entry, your entry level would have been here. Okay, but you want to play it with a 50% retracement entry. So you have to place the order at the 50% of all the range of the candle. So you place conditional order here, okay? And the market moved like that, da 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 da, and it goes until your conditional order placed at 50% retracement, okay? So here you are taken and the market goes there with you. This is a 50% retracement entry. So you have to choose if you want to place your conditional order at 30% or 50% or 90%, okay? So here is a 50% retracement. So in this case, your conditional order placed at 50% retracement didn't work. So here is a case of 70% retracement. So here you are executed and the market goes up, okay? You have to know we consider the 50% retracement as the most common retracement, okay? So most of the time we will use the 50% retracement. So using retracement entries is a little riskier in the sense that you can be left on the road, okay? Like in this example, okay, you can be left on the road simply if the market doesn't retrace the setup until your conditional order. But it's safer if you got in because your stop loss size will be short. So now we will compare the three entry strategies. Here is an image of the three types of entries we just learned. So we can see that each entry method has its advantages and drawbacks. So in this picture, you can see that with the market entry, you are right now in the market and you will not miss any move in your favor. So with the breakout entry, you can have more confidence that the market is with you. Okay, but your stop loss will be bigger than with a market order, a market entry. Okay, so with the 50% retracement, your stop loss will be really short, but you encounter the risk of not being executed in the case the market doesn't retrace. So here it doesn't retrace. But in PABT square, we found a solution to increase the odds of being taken in a move and risking a little if the market retraces. So we called it the dual trade. So let's talk about it in the next video. Thank you.